Hey you, hungry? Let's make lunch. We're starting with a good bed of lettuce. Today I chose romaine, but you can do whatever you like. The dressing is a little heavy though, so I recommend something kind of sturdy. This is ground meat cooked a little crispy with a little salt, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. I used half pork and half beef so it doesn't dry out. Be generous here so you aren't hungry again in an hour. I used 3 cherry tomatoes. Use more or less to your taste. This sauce is my version of Big Mac sauce. There's a lot of recipes online, and if you have one that you like, use that. But I'll leave mine in the description. Mine is a little more pickle heavy, so if you don't like pickles, maybe find something else. And I present Big Mac salad. Thanks so much for watching. I love you all. Take care, and I'll see you next time.